In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Calendar ID, a small yet essential detail that can be critical when integrating your calendar with other apps or services. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting to navigate the digital landscape, understanding how to access your calendar ID can open the door to more seamless experiences. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Google Calendar. Open up your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com to get started. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your calendar resides. This is important because you may have access to multiple accounts, and each account has its own set of calendars. Now, take a glance towards the upper right corner of the page and you'll notice a gear icon. This represents the settings. Click on that gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, we're interested in the option that says Settings, so go right ahead and click it. It can sometimes take a moment to load, so be patient if it seems to lag for a few seconds. Once you're in the Settings area, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There's a sidebar with a list of options. Look through this sidebar and you'll see a section that lists all of the calendars you have access to. You'll need to select the specific calendar from which you want to retrieve the calendar ID. If you have many, they might be listed under My Calendars or Other Calendars, depending on your permissions and use. Click on the calendar you've chosen, and it will expand into a set of options related to that particular calendar. Among these options is one titled Integrate Calendar. Go ahead and click Integrate Calendar, and this will bring up all the integration settings associated with that calendar. Now keep your eyes peeled. The crucial piece of information, your calendar ID, is displayed right here in this section. It's usually shown prominently above the public URL of the calendar. This ID is what you'll use for integrations, especially if you're linking your calendar with certain apps that require this specific detail. Once you've located your calendar ID, make a note of it. You don't want to lose it, especially if you're planning to use it for a specific application or sharing purpose. And with that, you are all set. You've successfully found your Google Calendar ID. I hope this guide was helpful, and you can now proceed with whatever task required this ID. Whether it's coordinating events, syncing with another service, or just personalizing your digital schedule, knowing how to find this tiny yet significant ID makes a significant difference in your digital know-how. Until next time, happy scheduling.